I'm not sure what is going on here. I guess it's attack of the goldfish. Is that what's going on here, Big Brother Bee? Hi, baby bee. Is she trying to eat them?
No.
Nothing like some goldfish off the floor. I don't know what he's doing. He is making her wear goldfish. Yeah, that would make me mad too. And we've got Doggy Bee over here trying to swipe up whatever's left behind. Let's go a little closer because yes, there's goldfish all over the floor. What are you doing?
I'm sticking it up for sure.
Why would you do that?
I think that's it's in her shirt.
For some reason, he thinks it's really funny to taunt his sister. I don't know what that's about, but I don't know. He likes to do annoying things to people. That's just the way he is, I guess. But doesn't he look nice? Let's see your hairdo. Woohoo! You're looking nice. Let's see. I can't see it. All I can see is a little flippy-do. Get your hair cut. Ooh, yeah, I can see it good now. He got the faux hawk going on like his sister. Hers is El Natural. You know, the funny thing is that Big Brother Bee, that is how your hair grew in too. You had a faux hawk, El Natural as well. Oh boy. How are those goldfish on the floor?
She's still thin.
Well, I know, but do you think they'd be better in a bowl?
No, she likes it in her pants though.
Kaden, oh sheesh. He is so... How many goldfish do you have in your mouth, Sissy? Oh, Miss America. Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
How do I get that fish? Yeah, and this floor is not very clean either. Sierra, oh, sis.
Cuckoo.
Oh boy. Let's not put, no, oh. Oh my goodness. That's a lot of goldfish. Oh my, I think you should probably spit some out. Yeah. I'm thinking that's probably too many and that's not going to end very good. Oh my. That's too many fishies.
Too much fishies.
You know why she was probably doing that? Because she probably thought he was trying to take them all. Around here you have to stuff food anywhere you can to get a bite. Because these boys, they eat everything. Right?
Cuckoo, cuckoo,
is that right?
Cuckoo.
Yeah. Oh, look out, doggy. Whoa! Oh, she's going to show Aunt Jenna how she pushes it. And this is the Miss America walk. It used to be a lot better, but... Oh, yes. And I am so sure Miss America stuffs her face like that. I am sure she does. You are hilarious, little baby bee. Why would you do that? Oh, jeez. Why are you home from school today? Tell us.
Because it's,
Do you know why?
mm-mm.
I don't know either. I'm not sure. Just one of those random days off. And ZB is at school today because they don't take random days off. But I guess public schools, they take random days off. I think it's grading or something. Teachers have to have a whole day to grade. I don't know. Whatever they do.
She's about to draw the color off.
What?
Look, the color from
Oh,
her
here she goes. What you got hanging out your mouth? Stuffed with goldfish. That's what she is.
She likes to stuff her mouth with. Oh!
Is she spitting them out now? Oh, jeez. What are you going to do with you, little baby bee? Are you having a fun day with your sister today? Yeah.
Zachary is too.
ZB, he's not here. Oh, here we go again. Sorry, Aunt Jenna. Really, she doesn't usually play with this. This is a new thing. She usually just pushes it. I promise. pushes it or pushes the buttons? All right, let's see you push it. She's like, it goes in there, brother. Brother, I'm holding it open for you. Hello? It goes in there. Say thank you. Wait, you can't say anything because your mouth is so full of food. Careful there, baby. How are those crackers going down? Goldfish stuffed face.
Is she swallowing them one by one?
I'm not sure. Oh, are you gonna get it? First you stuff your mouth with goldfish, and then you stuff yourself in a truck. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I don't think that's a good idea, brother. Oh no. Oh great. Somehow I knew that was going to happen. The idea of stuffing a sister into a truck. You know what's really funny about this? Is my brother used to stuff me in a truck and push me around. So this is kind of funny. Look, Mom, he's doing it to my baby. Little girl stuffed in trucks. Whee! Oh my goodness sake. She's such a peanut. She fits right in. Whee! Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Where are you heading?
She's going to work.